Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about a very practical career question that many students and working professionals are thinking about right now. The question is this: how can someone start a stable career in the healthcare industry without becoming a doctor or nurse? Many people are interested in healthcare careers, but they are unsure which roles are beginner-friendly, flexible, and still professionally valuable. At the same time, hospitals, clinics, and healthcare organizations depend heavily on trained professionals who manage billing systems, insurance claims, and reimbursement processes. Without skilled medical billers, healthcare services cannot operate smoothly. So, if you are someone who wants to enter the healthcare support field or build a professional role in medical administration, I want to suggest a strong solution for that. There is a professional certificate training program called the AAPC Medical Biller Professional Certificate, created by AAPC, which is one of the world's leading education Fin facility and credentialing organizations in medical billing and coding training. This program is designed especially for beginners who want to start learning medical billing from the foundation level and move toward professional level skills required in real healthcare environments. In this certification program, you learn how the healthcare revenue cycle works, including how insurance claims are prepared, submitted, reviewed, and processed correctly. You also learn how reimbursement systems function and how billing professionals help healthcare providers receive payments accurately and on time. Another important part of this program is learning how to work with government regulations and private insurance policies. Understanding compliance rules like HAF and other healthcare billing standards is very important for anyone working in medical billing role. The training also teaches practical skills such as handling claim denials, submitting appeals, managing collections, and working with accounts receivable processes inside healthcare systems. These are real responsibilities that medical billers handle daily in hospitals, clinics, and physician offices. One strong advantage of this certificate program is that it includes hands-on learning activities using real-world medical documentation examples. This helps learners understand how billing workflows operate in actual healthcare settings instead of only studying theory. The program also introduces medical coding systems such as 39910 CPT and HCPCS Level 2, which play a very important role in accurate claim submission and insurance processing. Another useful feature is that this certificate prepares learners with the knowledge needed for the Certified Professional Biller certification pathway, which can strengthen career opportunities in healthcare administration and revenue cycle management roles. This program is suitable not only for healthcare background students, but also for beginners who want to start a structured career in medical billing with flexible, online learning support. After completing this training, learners can explore opportunities in hospitals, clinics, physician practices, insurance processing departments, and healthcare billing service companies. If you are planning to enter the healthcare support industry with a professional skill that is always in demand, then the certification program can be a very helpful starting step. You can find the link in the description below to explore this professional certificate program. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.